Hi guys, I hope everyone is fit and fine. So as we are doing quadratic equation, and in my previous video we learned about the basics of the quadratic equation and some tricks. So today we will pick quadratic equations and we will find out the values. So let's start. First question is x square minus 25 equals to 0, and here we need to find out this x variable value. So the very first we should know the quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This equation is quadratic equation. So any equation which is in this form, we will consider it quadratic equation. And very important thing guys, pay attention here. Sometimes in exam the question comes to find out the coefficients of x square, x and constant value, means a, B and C. We need to find out these values. So how we will do it? Suppose this is the equation and we need to find out constants of x square, x and constant C values. Coefficient of x square is A, right? And coefficient of x square, we can see here no number is there, so we will consider 1. So A value will be 1. Now x, we can see here x is not there in this equation, so we will consider x is 0. So B is the coefficient of x, and in this equation, if we will write this equation in this form, so we can write like this: x square plus 0 into x minus 25 equals to 0. Now this and this both equations looks similar. So now if we compare, so x coefficient is b and b value is 0 in this equation, correct? So b value will be 0. Now c is the constant is 25, minus 25. We write with sign, so minus 25. So c value is minus 25. Fine. So this was the short trick how to find out the constant value or coefficients of x square and x. Now come to the point. We need to find out variable x value. So how we will find out? X square minus 25 equals to 0. We will write it x square equals to 25. This minus 25 is left hand side. We will shift towards to right hand side. And when we will shift it, minus negative sign will convert into positive sign. So it will be 25 plus 25. Now x equals to under root 25 and x equals to plus minus 25 is the root of 5. So x values are plus 5 and minus 5. So we got two values of x. Fine. Now let's take another equation. See, another question is, if suppose equation comes in this form, 4x square minus 64 equals to 0, and here you need to find out x variable value, then how you will solve it? Same way, we will shift this 64 minus 64 to the right hand side. Sign will change and it will convert to the positive 64. Now x square, this coefficient of x square we will take to the right hand side, so it will be like this, correct? It will come in denominator. Now we will try to solve it. 4 ones are 4, 2 and 4 6 are 24. So we got x square value is 16. Now we will find out under root. X equals to under root of 16. And under root of 16 we know 16 is the root of 4 and it is under root, so we will take plus minus 4. So x value we got plus 4 comma minus 4. Clear? Take another equation. Another equation is Next, x square plus 4x minus 21 equals to 0. If the equation is in this form, then how we will solve it? See, first this is the complete quadratic equation form, right? Now we will check this constant number and then we will try to find out its factors. So if you find out its factors, it will be 3 and 7. 3 multiplied 7 is 21. Correct? We can do in this way also. You can write here 21. We start from 2, right? But 21, it is not divisible by 2. So we will take next number, which is 3. 3 sevens are 21. Now 7 ones are 7. So 21's factor we got 1, 3, 7. Now with these numbers only we will add, we will subtract and we will find out this 4. We will make 4. So how we can do it? X square, we will take 7 and 3. So if we subtract 3 from 7, we will get this 4. Correct? 7 minus 3 equals to 4. Now this x we will write outside, minus 21 equals to 0. Is it clear? Now first we will find out the factors of 21, this constant value factors. Then we will add or subtract. We will just try to make this middle number, this x coefficient number, which is 4 here, right? So we have here two numbers, 7 and 3 of 21 factors. So if we subtract this 3 from 7, we will find 4. So we will write 7 minus 3 in place of 4. And as it is, we will write x outside, minus 21 equals to 0. Now we will open the bracket. X squared plus 7x. It is minus, so minus 3x. We just open the bracket. We will multiply this x in both the numbers. Minus 21 equals to 0. Now we will take the common factors. So how we can make common factors? See, this from here, if we take minus 3 outside, inside the bracket, we will get x plus 7. Correct? And from here, if we will take x outside, so x we already took here x squared. So inside only 1x will be there. Plus x we already took outside. So inside 7 left. So x plus 7. X we took common from these. X squared plus 7x. Clear? Now from these two, we will take minus 3. Because we have to make x plus 7 inside. So we are taking minus 3. Minus we already took. So inside the numbers will be positive. So from here 3 already, minus 3 already we took. This minus 3. So inside only x left. Now minus 3. If we will divide this minus 21 by minus 3. Minus cancel, 3 sevens are 21. So only 7 left. Plus 7 equals to 0. Got it? How we did it? I am repeating again. From these two we took x common. Inside x plus 7 left. From these two minus 3 we took common. Then here this x left plus 7. 3 sevens are 25 and minus we took outside. That's why we are writing here plus. Equals to 7. Now this x plus 7 is common in both, in full equation. So x plus 7 we are taking outside. Correct? Now this we took. From here x plus 7 we took, only this x left, this. So we will write this x. From here also x plus 7 we took outside. So inside minus 3 left. Got it? We took this x plus 7 outside, inside x minus 3 and only from here x and from here minus 3 left, which is equals to 0. So we have two values of x. If we take first this x plus 7 equals to 0, from here x plus 7 equals to 0, then from here we are getting x value minus 7. Because this 7 we are shifting to right hand side, we will get minus 7. Now we will take this x minus 3 equals to 0. So from here, if we take x minus 3 equals to 0, we are getting x equals to 3. So we have two values, x minus 7, x equals to minus 7 and x equals to plus 3. This minus 3 we will shift to the right hand side. Minus sign will convert to the positive sign. So we got two values of x. The first one